Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Lydia. Please consider subscribing and clicking the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So as you can see from the title of this video, I am going to be unboxing some of the essential items in this creation journey. So stay tuned and let's get into it. First thing is this tripod that I got. It's a long tripod. It actually extends to 2 meters. I'm going to show you guys. So let me place you guys at a better angle so you can see clearly. So here it is. This is how it looks like at the bottom. And then it goes all the way. So let's try and adjust it. I've had to stand so you guys can see what I'm doing. So this is how it looks like at the top. So we adjust it. So it's so long. So this is how long it is. It's actually too tall. Yeah, so that is the tripod. But since I won't be using it when it's that high, let us try and adjust it at a better length. Okay, so I think this is better. And then on to the next thing. So I finally got myself a ring light. So you guys, I know you have been seeing the quality of my videos. It wasn't the best, so I decided to invest in a ring light. And stay tuned because brighter days are yet to come, literally. So let's unbox this one. So this is how it comes packaged. I'm sorry guys for the noise. So this is how the ring light looks like. And then it comes with the USB cable for charging. And then you can control the lighting options here. I'm going to demonstrate in a few. And apart from this, it also comes with other items. We have this right here. We also have this Bluetooth shutter so that you can control the video or photos on your own. We also have this right here that is meant to hold the phone. And last but not least, you have this right here. So let's try and assemble. So the aim is to come up with this. So let me try and see. I think this comes first, this one. Yes, then I don't know what comes next. I think the ring light itself is what comes next. So let's try and see. This is what it looks like at the moment. So next we have this phone holder. That is supposed to be attached to this. Okay guys, let me figure this out. I'll be back shortly. So it's been one eternity later. I still haven't figured out how to fix it. But what I know is that this needs to come here. Like so. But then I'm not sure how this is supposed to be fixed considering this thing here. Anyway, we'll keep learning with time, but for now I just wanted to unbox with you guys and assemble together. So the last thing I'm going to show you is the lighting modes of this ring light. Okay, so this is how it looks. I've connected it to a cable. So we have this. These are the buttons I was referring to. So you have the power button. So once you turn it on, you can see there. And then it has different modes. So you can switch it to different modes like so. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly on camera. So this is the first, then you have this other one, and lastly that one. So you work depending on your preference. I think I prefer this first, not this one. I prefer this. And then you can adjust the brightness. You can as well reduce it. Yeah, so that's how it looks. These are the buttons I'm referring to. This one is for increasing the brightness. Then you have this one for reducing the brightness. And this is the power button. So finally, guys, so it also came with a mini tripod which I'm using to shoot this video. But I'm so happy that we are finally not going to be in darkness anymore. I got these items from an Instagram page called Lenny Venture. So I'm currently using the light and you guys can see the difference already. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe as well. Until the next one, bye guys.